So, could you experience yourself as something else, apart than this physical body? So, some of you like to share what you experienced yourself as?
Watching river, trees. I was very happy there. Always I am very happy when I am connected to the nature. I feel like sitting there and enjoy that sound.
So, part of you is still a parrot. It still feels like a parrot, just watching. Birds only keep watching. So that's lovely. Anyone else?
जब आप काउंट डाउन कर रहा था मैं तो पानी में डूब गया था समुद्र में। मैं तो पानी पानी हो गया था इसमें।
पानी
समुद्र में डूब गया था।
कैसा लग रहा है?
तो मछली था उधर, बड़ा मछली कोशिश कर रहा था मैं खाने के लिए, छोटा मछली।
पर आप क्या थे? पानी थे, मछली थे, क्या लगा?
मेरे ख्याल से वो मछली था।
मछली कौन सा, छोटा या बड़ा?
छोटा।
आपको किसी ने खाया कि?
तो कोशिश कर रहा था, उसमें पीछे भाग रहा था मेरे पीछे। इसका बाद में जब ओपन तो पासपोर्ट ओपन हो गया, मैं विटनेस कर रहा था। आपको मैसेज आपको बोला था ना, मैसेज क्या मैसेज दिया? जस्ट विटनेस इट।
वंडरफुल, ब्यूटीफुल।
जो हो रहा है वो सभी विटनेस करो।
वो मछली वही करता है, विटनेस। कौन कहाँ से आ रहा है, क्या कर रहा है? ओह लवली। So you were a small little fish. Oh beautiful. और कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये सोच के कि मैं मछली था?
तो पानी के अंदर तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत खुश लगा, बहुत खुशी था उधर।
आपको मछलियों से प्यार है, पानी से प्यार है अभी?
हाँ जरूर।
नहाते रहते हैं? नहाने में ज्यादा समय लगाते हैं। But you like natural sea, huh? Lovely, very nice.
Yeah, I was on the people tree, like bird. I was a bird. Even today, I like people tree. Whenever I found people tree, I go and just spend 5 minutes in front of people tree. This even today, the character is there. But I was sitting on the people tree like a bird.
Lovely.
From there, I died and went to another dimension.
Lovely.
Just enjoying flying with all the trees and with all my friends around, everybody was flying with me.
Flying with you.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I was really, I just wanted to travel a lot more with all my friends, all my birds. So my family was fantastic, amazing.
So birds, water, see how beautiful. A part of that is in us today.
Yes.
That is how we live in other dimensions simultaneously. Anyone else would like to share?
ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಂಡೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಕೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು, ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣದೊಂದು ನೀರು ಹರಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪಾಚಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೆತ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ರಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾನ್ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು.
So she's still feeling that. See, when she's speaking, she's closing her eyes. Yeah? So she's still feeling that. Thank you. Lovely. So you can see that this is a part of our parallel lives. We are living there at this time also. Remember this.
Yeah.
We are living here
Yeah.
in this body. At the same time, a part of our consciousness is still in the parrot. It's still in that stone, it's still in that rock, in every particle of that rock. It broke, no? Every particle of that rock. Somewhere else also our consciousness lives. So many times today, sometimes we feel like a rock. with our emotions. Now I want you to write, what are the 3 qualities of that natural form that you saw? Like if it's water, we'll say water is flowing, it's pure, it's clear. Some qualities are there, right? Every natural form has some qualities. हर natural चीज की कोई qualities होती है, correct? Attributes होती है. तो आप अपनी किताब में लिखिए कि आपने जो देखा उसकी 3 क्वालिटीज क्या है. क्या 3 क्वालिटीज है उस नेचुरल फॉर्म की? सो व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ बर्ड, ऑफ अ, व्हाट डू यू फील? पैरेट, freedom, form of a parrot now. You are in a form of a human being. Do you have those qualities? Always. A bird is happy? Always. A bird is free? Always. Do you have that quality as a human being in you today? No. So, these are the qualities that you have to develop. हमें कहा जाता है ना, what is the purpose of my life? लोग पूछते हैं ना आपको कि मेरे जीवन का मकसद क्या है? So this is an exercise to do. Find out your natural state. Moment you find out your natural state and those qualities of that natural form, you will know your purpose. Your purpose is not to make money. Your purpose is not to have children or not to have children. Your purpose is not to have a beautiful home or a lovely car. Your purpose is to develop these qualities. Moment you know these qualities, you will know what to do also. Correct?
Yes.
So, freedom, happiness and calmness. ये आपका purpose है. Now find out in situations where you are not feeling free, not feeling calm, not feeling happy. Write 3 situations where you are not feeling this. Write it. Now you know your qualities. Now write 3 situations where you don't feel free, where you don't feel calm, where you don't feel happy. Right? लिखिए कौन सी 3 situations है. जीवन में ज्यादा situations नहीं होती है, वही situation बार बार आती है, इसलिए हमें लगता है कि बहुत बार बहुत situations है. Actually 3 ही situations होती है ना. वो 3 situations लिखिए. कौन सी situation में आपको परेशानी होती है, दुख होता है, you don't feel free, you feel bound. Which are the people with whom you feel this? So we say in our work of psychology, place, person, time when you feel these qualities are missing. Place, person and time, situation. Now find out why you are not having freedom with your husband. Why you are not having freedom regarding children. Why you are not having freedom regarding your mother-in-law. Why you are not having freedom regarding money. Why? Why you are not feeling free? You want to feel free. पता चल गया कि मुझे ये freedom feel करनी है. Why I am not feeling it? Is it because of my own belief? Is it because of my own expectation? Is it because of comparison? Is it because of competition? Why I am not feeling free? My sole purpose is to feel free. Why I am not feeling it? Why? So, why? Right? Why and question mark. Why you are not feeling this? So, ma'am, why you are not feeling free? Because of. So we'll take ma'am as a case study for you all. I want you all to understand these things, yeah? Because you all are all teachers. You all are all going to be helping many people. Now, when you are going to help somebody and you don't know the core issue only, how are you going to help them? So this is an easy way, fun way to find out your core issue. So now, ma'am, please tell us. She was in a joint family, yeah?
I was in joint.
Yeah.
ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಊರ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಗಂಡನ ಮನೆ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರ ಭಾಳ ಹಳೆಯ ವಿಚಾರದವ್ರು ಇದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು. ಅದು ನನ್ಗೆ ಹೊಂದ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ನಂಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೊಂದ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶಾಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ನಂದು ವಿಚಾರಗೆ ಹೊಂದಂತ ಮಂದಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು.
So what ma'am is, I think, trying to say is that others' opinions and her opinions clash. Correct? There's difference of opinion, and because of it, she used to feel not free, bound. Am I right? Okay. So I want to ask. Now she has said this, because she has come to you for help. Yeah. So she has said this difference of opinion between them and her, and now not getting along together, etc., etc. Okay. So ask her, should everybody have one opinion?
No.
Is it possible for everybody to have one opinion?
Not possible.
So she said no. So if everybody cannot have one opinion, are we able to accept everybody's opinion?
No.
Huh? Everybody should have their own opinion. As everybody can't have one opinion, that means everybody has their own opinion. So what is wrong with that? Anything wrong? Him having his opinion, him having his opinion, him having his opinion. Is something wrong with people having different opinions? So then what is so difficult in accepting others having their opinion? So it's important to break that thought process like this. Moment she said no, it's okay, everybody can have their own opinion. She said, yes, everybody can have their own opinion. Yet she's having problems. She had problems with others having their opinions. So, now why does this happen? Because our heart is saying everybody should have their own opinions. But our brain is saying,
Yes.
no,
No.
everybody should follow my. That is how we are disconnected. Our brain is logical, rational, right and wrong. क्यों? ऐसा क्यों सोचा उसने? Because our brain wants everybody to follow me. Our brain wants us to feel powerful.
Yes.
I am the best. I know the best. Everybody else are fools. Our brain says that, not our heart. Our heart said everybody should have their own opinion. What does that mean? What did we start off? Freedom. Our heart wants everybody to be free. See? Everybody should have their own opinion. Our heart wants everyone to be free.